P is nothing but the principal amount, T is nothing but the number of years per annum, and then R is nothing but the rate of interest you are going to have per year. Triple itself. Triple means what? A will be is equal to 3x. Let me calculate for that one also. After calculating the simple interest, when it is increased by 3%, by calculating this rate of interest and add up to that a 3%. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in this session, we are going to learn the chapter number 8, which is nothing but the simple interest and compound interest. And here, session number 2, you are going to have. And what are all the topics we are going to study under this session, dears? We are going to have problems on 3-marker and 5 markers. And then, which is a formula you have to remember, dear students? You are going to remember what do you mean by the simple interest. Simple interest is given by SI will be is equals to PTR divided by 100, where P is nothing but the principal amount, T is nothing but the number of years per annum, and then R is nothing but the rate of interest you are going to have per year, isn't it? And then you are going to have, if they ask you to calculate the amount, so the amount is given by A, which is called as amount. It is given by A will be is equals to, you are going to have principal plus SI. SI is nothing but the same formula you are going to have it as. Then P you are going to get it as common factor. Then the final formula you are going to get for this one will be is equal to P into 1 plus TR divided by 100. Okay. This formula also you are going to use it to solve the problems. So, we'll look into the problems of first is nothing but the 3-marker. So, here the simple interest on certain sum of money they have asked is 4 by 25th of the sum, and the rate of percentage equals the number of years. So, rate of percentage is equal to the number of years means R will be is equals to T they have given. Find the rate of interest. They have asked you to calculate what is R, okay? And then in the starting they have given the simple interest on a certain sum of the money is 4 by 25th of the sum. 4 by 25th of the sum is nothing but the principal amount. Therefore, SI they have given it as 4 by 25th of P. Okay, using this, we are going to find out what is the rate of interest. Now, what is the formula you are going to have it as? SI will be is equals to PTR divided by 100, isn't it? Now, what is SI? SI they have given it as 4 by 25th of the principal amount. Therefore, 4 by 25th of the principal amount will be is equal to P as it is, and T they have given it as what? They have given it as R, you can write it as, and R we don't know as it is. So, you are going to get it as T is equals to R. This R we don't know as it is, I am writing. Got? Divided by 100. Now, you are going to cancel this P and this P. Therefore, you can cross multiply here. If you cross multiply 100, what you are going to get it as? So, therefore, R into R you are going to have it as R squared will be is equals to 4 into 100 divided by 25. Correct? So, therefore, if you calculate this, what you are going to get? 25 ones are, you are going to have it as 25 fours are is 100. Therefore, 4 into 4 is nothing but 16. R squared is equal to 16. Therefore, R will be is equal to 4% because square root of 16 is nothing but 4 you are going to have. And this is the answer for this question. Find the rate of interest. Rate of interest is nothing but the 4% per annum you are going to have. Is that so easy, dears? According to the given question, we are going to take an assumption and then we are going to substitute in the formula of SI and we will be getting the answer as 4% here. Okay? Yes, we'll move on to the next question. What is that? Sandhya invested certain amount in a bank. Okay? When the rate of interest changed from 10% to 12.5%. That means first year when she was having, it was a 10%, and the next year, the another year, it was 10 to 12.5% it was changed. Her annual income increased by rupees 1,250. How much did Sandhya invest? And what is the amount the Sandhya invested? So let me calculate by taking given. What is the given? They have given it as when the rate of interest changed. You are going to have it as let P is equals to, we don't know the amount what she will invest in the first year. So principal amount I am going to take it as let X, and from what is the percentage? You are going to have rate of percentage nothing but 10%. So R will be is equals to 10%. You are going to have it as, and T will be is equal to, I am going to take it as in the 1 year. Okay. 1 year, right? So therefore, let me calculate this one. What is the SI will be is equal to? SI will be is equal to PTR divided by 100. So therefore, which will be is equal to P is nothing but X, T is nothing but 1 year, and R is nothing but 10% divided by 100. So you are going to have SI will be is equal to 10 ones are 10 tens are X by 10. So SI is nothing but X by 10, and then another you are going to have P is nothing but, you are going to have it as when the rate of interest same X you are going to have it as, but it is changed to what? 12.5%. Therefore rate of interest will be changing as 12.5%. So therefore 12.5 is nothing but 12 twos are 24, 24 plus 1 is nothing but 25, 25 divided by 2. Correct? You are going to have it as, so T is same as 1 year only, correct? So let me calculate for this one rate of interest. Therefore, you are going to have it as SI will be is equals to PTR divided by 100, same formula. Substituting here, you are going to get the answer will be is equals to, what is that? P as it is X, you are going to have T as it is 1 into 25 divided by 2 means 25 here divided by 2 into 100. So therefore, the answer you are going to get 25 ones are 25 fours are. So the answer you are going to have 2 fours are 8, X divided by 8. Correct? And then they have given her annual income increased by 1,250. So what you are going to, how much did Sandhya invested you are going to have it as. Therefore, you can have a difference of this one. What is that? X by 8 minus X by 10. She is going to invest as 1,250. X by 8 minus X by 10 is nothing but 1,250. Cross multiply, you are going to have 10x minus 8x divided by 10 8s are 80. So therefore, 10x minus 8x is nothing but 2x divided by 10 8s are 80, which will be is equal to 1,250. Now cross multiply, 2x will be is equals to 1,250 into 80. You are going to get for this one as 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Therefore, you are going to have 2x is equal to 1 lakh. X will be is equal to 1 lakh divided by 2 is nothing but you are going to have 50,000. So the amount invested by Sandhya is nothing but 50,000. X will be is equals to 50,000. That's it. Okay. Because we have called amount is nothing but principal amount is X. X you got it as 50,000. Understood? Okay. We'll move on to the next question. What they've asked. Find the rate at which a sum becomes 4 times of itself in 15 years. So first let me calculate what is that 4 times of itself of 15 years. Let me calculate by taking it as let P is equals to X, and then you are going to have it as A will be is equal to what is that 4 times of that one will be 4x. Okay, and then T will be is equals to, they have given it as 15 years. So what is the simple interest you are going to have it as? Simple interest will be is equals to, you can calculate simple interest will be is equal to PTR divided by 100, which will be is equal to P is nothing but X, T is nothing but 15 into 15, and R is nothing but rate of interest as it is, you are going to write it as divided by 100. But you know already A will be is equal to P plus SI. So therefore you are going to have P plus PTR divided by 100, which will be is equals to P is nothing but, and A is nothing but here 4x 4x. P is nothing but x plus x into 15 into r divided by 100. So therefore, you are going to have it as 4x. X you can take common. 4x is equal to x into 1 plus 15r divided by 100. So the answer you are going to get for this one, 4x, you can have it as xx will get cancelled. So therefore, you are going to have 4 will be is equals to, xx will get cancelled. 100 into 1 is 100. 100 plus 15r divided by 100. Now you can cross multiply 100 to that side. 4 into 100 is 400 is equal to 100 plus 15r. Otherwise, you can have 400 minus 100 is nothing but 300. 300 is equal to 15r. Otherwise, r will be is equal to 300 divided by 15. So, r will be is equals to 20%. That's it. They have asked you to calculate, okay, the rate of interest. Understood? Okay, we'll move on to the next question. What they have asked. Let us see the next question. What they have asked here. A sum of money doubles itself in 12 years. Sum of the money double itself in 12 years. Therefore, let me call it as P is equals to 12 years, 6 months they have asked. P is equal to X, A will be is equal to 2X. And T, they have given it as 12 years, 6 months. What is 12 years, 6 months can be written as, you have to convert totally into a year. How 6 months can be converted? In a year, there are 12 months, 6 divided by 12. Therefore, you are going to have T will be is equals to 12 plus 6 divided by 12. Correct? So, the answer you are going to get it as 12 12s are. So, you are going to have it as 6 1s are, 6 2s are. Therefore, 1 by 2. 12 plus 1 by 2. So, 12 2s are 24 plus 1 is nothing but 25 by 2 years. We have converted this, isn't it? So, that is what the first, let me calculate this one, and then they have asked, in how many years will it triple itself? Triple means what? A will be is equal to 3x. Let me calculate for that one also. After calculating the simple interest. So, what is the formula is given by? We know that A will be is equal to P plus SI. That means you are going to have P plus PTR divided by 100. So, the answer will be P into 1 plus TR divided by 100. So, therefore, you can calculate here A will be is equal to 2x and P will be is equal to x plus 1 plus T is nothing but 25 divided by 2 will come to the denominator. 25. We don't know the rate of interest. You can, as it is, 25 divided by 100. So, the answer you are going to get for this one, xx will get cancelled. Here 25 1s are, 25 4s are. Therefore, you are going to have it as 2 will be is equals to 1 plus r divided by 4. Therefore, you can calculate here 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1 will be is equal to r divided by 4. Same you are going to have it as r divided by 4. R will be is equal to 4%. Correct? R will be is equal to, now by taking this r you are going to calculate for the triple itself. Triple means you are going to have it as, let P will be is equals to x, A will be is equal to, what is that? 3x, and R will be is equals to 4% and T we don't know. They have asked you to calculate what? The number of years when it triple. So therefore, you are going to have it as same formula. Same formula I am going to apply, that is 3x will be is equal to x into 1 plus TR. T we don't know. R is nothing but 4% divided by 100 you are going to have it as. So xx will get cancelled. 3 will be is equal to, or 3 minus 1 will be is equal to 4. You are going to have it as 425s are. Correct? So therefore, T divided by 25. Now you are going to have it as 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. So 25 2s are. You are going to have it as T will be is equal to 2 into 25, which will be is equal to 50 years. That is your answer. Got? Okay, I think you understood this step. We'll move on to the next question, what they have asked. And this ends up your 3 marker. We'll move on to next is nothing but 5 marker questions. Now, Jason invested an amount of rupees 12,000, okay, at the rate of 10% per annum. Simple interest and another amount at the rate of 20% per annum simple interest. So first year he was invested what? A 10% per annum of a simple interest and then rate of interest, and next year it was a 20% of per annum simple interest. The total interest earned at the end of the year, when the total amount invested become the 14% per annum. So what he invested, the next year it was becoming what? A 14% per annum. Find the total amount. What is that? Invested. E, you need to find out the what is the total amount. That means A, you need to find out. Okay. So therefore, first what he was invested, let me write down that. What is that? You can have it as here P1 and P2. First he was invested what? A P1 of rupees 12,000. So P1 will be is equal to rupees 12,000. And then rate of interest R, it is nothing but 10% per annum of the simple interest he was invested, correct? And another amount at the rate of 20% of the simple interest. Another amount, we don't know what is the amount, let me call it as X. So here a T is nothing but you are going to have it as T will be is equal to a 1 year, because 1 year he invested, correct? We need to calculate at the end of the year what happens to the amount, right? So here we are going to have it as total amount we need to calculate. Now we can calculate by having simple interest. What is that? Simple interest is given by PTR divided by 100. So here P1 divided by 100 you are going to have it as. So therefore you are going to have 12,000 into T is nothing but 1 year into R is nothing but 10 divided by 100. So 10 ones are 10 tens are, you are going to have it as again. You are going to have 10 ones are 10. What you are going to get? This one 12s are, isn't it? You are going to get the answer as 120 here. So therefore SI will be is equals to, you are going to have 120. Correct? 12,000. I have taken only the 1,200, sorry, 12,000. So therefore 1,200 is the SI you are going to have it as. So next we are going to have it as P2. We don't know what is P2. X we are going to call it as. R will be what? R will be 20%. In the same year, T will be is equal to 1 year only. Same year you are going to have it as. So next you are going to have simple interest can be calculated. X into, what is that? X means P2. X into T is nothing but 1 year into 20% divided by 100. Correct? So therefore you are going to have the answer for this will be is equal to SI will be is equal to 21s are 25s are. So X divided by 5. The sum of the interest you are going to get for this one will be is equal to P will be is equal to principal amount is P1 plus P2. Let me keep aside. P1 plus P2 is nothing but 1,000. You are going to have it as, what is that? 12,000 plus X. Correct? This is what the principal amount. Now what is SI? You are going to have it as SI this one. SI1, SI2 you can call if you want. SI1. Therefore let me calculate that. So interest will be sum of the interest. Sum of interest will be is equals to, what is that? You are going to have it as 1,200 plus X divided by 5. Correct? You are going to have this one. Now you are going to have the answer will be here. You know already simple interest, it is given by the formula PTR divided by 100 will be is equal to 1,200 plus X divided by 5. So let me substitute here for having the formula. What is that? 1,200. What happens? The question will be is equals to here. See, the total amount invested become 14%. 14% means the rate of interest will be increased here for the 14%. So therefore, I can calculate here for the 14% of the same. I can calculate here for the 14% of the same amount. What is the same amount? You are going to have it as this amount, 12,000. Therefore, we can have it as 12,000 into T is nothing but the 1 year you are going to have it as, into R is nothing but it is increased for 14%. Therefore, 12,000 of the same amount, T is nothing but 1 and the rate of interest was increased what? 14%. So 14 divided by 100 is equals to 1,200 plus X divided by 5. Now, let me cross multiply this one. So, what you are going to get? Now, you are going to have 100 ones are, 100 120s are. So, here 120 into 14 is equals to 1,200 plus X divided by 5. So, now you are going to have 120 into 14 is 1,680 is equals to 1,200 plus X divided by 5. Let me cross multiply this one. 1,680 minus 1,200 is equal to X divided by 5. So, you are going to have this will be is equal to 480 is equals to X by 5. Otherwise, X will be is equal to 480. 480 into 5. So, X will be is equals to, you are going to get 2,400 is your answer. Okay, X. Now, you need to calculate what is P1 plus P2. So, what is P1 plus P2? You can calculate as 1,000, 12,000, P is equals to 1,000, 12,000 plus 2,400. So, the answer you are going to get for this one will be is equals to P is 14,400. That's it, your answer. Okay, this is your principal amount you are going to have it as. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Rupees 1,200 becomes 1,536 in 4 years. At a certain rate of simple interest, if the rate of interest is increased by 3%, what will be 2,000 amount in 2 years? Rupees 1,200 is something but you are going to have it as principal amount, correct? So, and then A is nothing but you are going to have it as 1,536 and then T is nothing but you are going to have 4 years, right? And then, if the amount of 2,000 is, what will be the 2,000 amount? In 2 years they have asked, 3% is increased. First, let us find out the simple interest by having here. What is that? You know that A will be is equal to P plus SI. Correct? Now, A they have given it as 1,536 is equal to P is 1,200 plus SI. Now, 1,536 minus 1,200 is equals to SI. Now, if you minus this one, you are going to get SI will be is equal to 336, correct? Because 1,536 minus 1,200 is 336. This is SI. Now, using this SI, let me calculate the rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? SI will be is equal to PTR divided by 100. Now, SI is 336 is equal to R we don't know. So, R you are going to calculate by having P 1,200 into T is nothing but 4 into R we don't know divided by 100. So, if you could cross multiply 3,036 into 100 divided by 1,200 into 4 is equals to R. So, if you calculate this one, you are going to get R will be is equals to, you are going to get it as R will be is equals to 7%. Okay. Now, they have asked 3% is increased. Increase means you are going to add 3% to this. What will be R will become? What will be 2,000 amount in 2 years? 2,000 amount in 2 years means you are going to calculate for the amount of 2,000. 2 years means T will be is equal to R will be increased by 3%. Therefore, let me take it as here. P will be, they have given it as what? 2,000. And then, what is the R? R is increased by 3%. Now, here it is 7%. It is increased by 3% means 10%. And what will be the number of years? They have given it as 2 years. So, T will be is equal to 2 years. Correct? So, let me calculate simple interest here. So, PTR divided by 100, which will be is equal to P is nothing but 2,000 into R is nothing but, T is nothing but 2, R is nothing but 10 divided by 100. So, 10 tens are 5s are. So, you are going to have 5 4s are 20. Now, SI is equals to 400. Now, what they have asked? Amount they have asked. What is the amount? The amount is given by A will be is equal to P plus SI. Now what is A will be is equal to P is nothing but you are going to have it as 2000 plus 400. So A will be is equal to 2400. That is your answer. Okay. I hope you understood this problem. Okay. We'll move on to the next problem. If the difference between the simple interest, that is simple interest means simple interest 1 minus simple interest 2. Like that you can take at a certain sum of 4 years, T is equals to 4 years, at a 2.5% per annum, that means R is equal to 2.5% per annum, the simple interest on the same sum they have given for the same period, but the rate of interest is 3% per annum is 60 rupees 60. Find the sum they have asked. Now, let me take it as P, we don't know what it is, okay, and then T is equal to, they have given it as 4 years, correct, and the rate of interest R, they have given it as 2.5% per annum, correct. So, let me calculate simple interest 1, SI1, so PTR divided by 100, which will be is equal to P, we don't know as it is, and T is nothing but you are going to have it as 4 and 2.5 divided by 100, correct. So here you are going to have the answer SI1 will be is equals to 4 into 2.5 is nothing but 10 P divided by 100, which will be is equal to P divided by 10. Okay, that is SI1. Now what is SI2 they have given? SI2 is nothing but P, we don't know, correct, but it is increased for 3%. T will be is equal to 4 years only you are going to have it as, and T you are going to R will be is equal to 3% per annum, right. Let me calculate SI2 for this one. Difference they have asked, simple interest difference, okay. So here SI2 will be is equal to same formula PTR, P we don't know, T is nothing but 4 into 3 divided by 100. So you are going to have it as SI2 will be is equal to 12P divided by 100, SI2. Now we need to take the difference, SI2 minus SI1, they have given it as rupees 60. Let me calculate that one. What will be getting the answer? Let me see that answer here. Will be getting the answer will be is equal to, what is that, SI. Now we'll take the difference, SI2 minus SI1 will be is equal to 60. You are going to have it as, so here SI2 is nothing but what we have calculated, 12P divided by 100 minus P divided by 10 is equal to 60 they have given it as. Let me take the LCM will be is equals to 12P minus 10 tens are here 100 is equal to 60. 12P minus 10P is nothing but 2P is equal to 60 into 100, which is 600. 2P is equal to 6,000, right? 60. So otherwise P will be is equal to 3,000. So therefore, okay, you are going to have for this one, answer will be is equal to rupees 3,000. Understood? Okay, we'll move on to the next question. A sum was put at a simple interest, a certain rate for 4 years. Okay, a sum, had it been put at a 2% higher rate, it would have fetched to 56 more. Find the sum they have asked. Here also same we are going to have it as simple interest 1 and the simple interest 2, then we are going to take the difference. So here what they have asked, we don't know the P is equals to question mark and T is nothing but 4 years they have given it as, and R is also question mark. So simple interest 1 is nothing but PTR divided by 100. So P into 4 into R divided by 100. Okay. And then they have asked here next is nothing but P is nothing but question mark, but had it been put at 2% higher rate. 2% higher rate means R will become R plus 2. So let me take this one as R will be is equal to R plus 2. We don't know. Now what is T will be is equal to what here? The same 4 years, right? You are going to have it as. Correct? Same 4 years you are going to have it as. Now, same formula, let me calculate SI2. So now we'll be calculating SI2 will be is equals to same PTR. P we don't know. R is nothing but R plus 2. T is nothing but 4 divided by 100. Let me calculate this. You are going to have 4PR, correct? 4PR. Otherwise, you can cancel this one. 4PR plus 4 2s are 4P2, 4 2s are 8P divided by 100. Now, the difference they have asked, what is the difference? The difference will be fetched to 56 more. So, what is SI2 minus SI1 is equals to, you are going to have it as SI2 is 4PR plus 8P divided by 100 minus, you are going to have P into 4 into R divided by 100. Now 100 is a LCM you can take down. If you take 100 as a LCM, the difference will be is equals to 100. Here 4PR plus 8P minus, you are going to have it as 4PR minus 4PR. Now you are going to have 4PR will get cancelled. So SI2 minus SI1 is nothing but 8P divided by 100, correct? Now you are going to have it as SI2 minus SI1. This is given by 56. Let me substitute that will be is equal to 56 SI2 minus SI1, correct? So here therefore, so SI2 minus SI1 will be is equal to 56 is equal to 8P by 100. Now 56 into 100 is equals to P, 8 will come to the denominator. Now you are going to have P will be is equal to 56 into 100 is 5600 divided by 8, P will be is equal to rupees 700. That's it. You are going to have the answer for this one. Okay. There was the amount. Understood? Any doubt in this? Okay. So this is rupees 700 you are going to have, dears. Okay, dear students, you understood these many problems of the 5 marker. In the next session, we are going to solve still 5 marker questions of this simple interest only. Thank you.